Check this video to get 4 reliable techniques for turning PDF files into eBooks. Method 1. How to create ebook from PDF via Coolmuster PDF Converter Pro. With the robust PDF conversion tool Coolmuster PDF Converter Pro, you can convert PDF files to Word, EPUB, text, images, HTML, Excel, and PPT, among other formats. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster PDF Converter Pro, then open the software. Step 2. In the panel on the right, select PDF to EPUB from the Convert menu or any other conversion type you want. Then click the Add File button in the upper left corner to import the PDF file you want to convert. Step 3. Select the page range you want to convert and click the Start button in the lower right corner. After the conversion is complete, you can find the converted EPUB file in the Output folder. Method 2. How to make ebook from PDF with PDF Editor. With the help of PDF Editor, you may add, remove, and alter text, photos, comments, links, and other content in PDF files. Step 1. Install and download PDF Editor, then launch the program. Choose Convert PDF or Batch PDFs Convert from the software's homepage. The latter lets you carry out batch conversion operations. Step 2. For the first option, choose EPUB or other formats in the Convert window that appears after importing the PDF file you wish to convert. To begin the conversion, click the OK button. Step 3. For the latter choice, in the Batch PDFs Convert window, select the Add Files button to import the PDF files you want to convert, or drag and drop them directly into the software interface. To begin the conversion, choose EPUB or another format from the Output Format menu, then click the Apply button in the lower right corner. Step 4. Once the conversion is finished, the converted files will be in the Output folder. Method 3. How to create digital ebook from PDF via Calibre. Calibre is a free ebook management software that allows you to manage, read, edit, convert, and synchronize your ebook library. It supports various ebook formats, including EPUB, MOBI, AZW3, and more. Step 1. Download, install, and launch the Calibre program on your PC. Once done, click Add Books to select the desired PDF. Another, more convenient way is to drag and drop the document to the software directly, which can add your PDF quickly. Step 2. Subsequently, tap Convert Books on the menu bar. Then hit Convert Books again to open the conversion dialog box. Tap Output Format and choose a file format that you desire. Step 3. Hit OK and pick a format. On the Formats field of the right side, you will see your converted file. Besides, if needed, you can tap on Book Files under Formats to open Calibre Library. Extra tip: for batch conversion, on the Calibre main interface, press Ctrl+A to select all files. Or, if you want selective conversion, select the first file, hold down the Shift key, and then click the last file you want to convert. This will highlight the required files. Next, click the drop-down menu near the Convert Books icon and select Bulk Convert. Method 4. How to create ebook from PDF online free. Step 1. Open a browser on a computer and search for an online free conversion tool for PDF to ebook. For instance, you can use Cloud Convert, a secure online conversion tool. Next, open the tool's webpage on your browser and select an output format, EPUB, AZW3, MOBI, or others. Step 2. Then click Select File to opt for the PDF you want to convert. Step 3. Tap Convert to start the conversion process. After that, download the converted file to your computer and access the file to check if the content is complete.